Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Here it's Mr. Z. I am your math coach, and then I will help you today to understand type of fraction. There is three type of fraction that we're gonna go over today. The first type of fraction, this is what we call a proper fraction. A proper fraction. This is the first type of fraction. So which one is a proper fraction? Is a proper fraction, it's a fraction where the numerator, which is a top part of the fraction, is less than the denominator. So we call that a proper fraction. Example, 1/4. This is a proper fraction because the numerator is 1, the denominator is 4, 1 is less than 4. 3/4. This is for here, it's a proper fraction. 11/15. This is a proper fraction. 18/25. This is proper fraction. 3/5. This is a proper fraction. So a proper fraction, it's a fraction where the numerator is less than a denominator. All right, so let's talk about improper fraction. Improper. Improper fraction. Now, keep in mind, proper fraction is the same thing as a simple fraction. So which one we call improper fraction? Improper fraction, it's a fraction where the denominator is greater than where the numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay? That's what we call improper fraction. Example, when I got 4/3, this is an improper fraction. Why? Because the top number is bigger than the bottom number. When I got 15/11, it's improper fraction. When I got 25/18, this is improper fraction. When I got 5/3, this is also improper fraction. So what is improper fraction? Improper fraction is a fraction where the numerator is what? Yeah, can you answer that question? What is improper fraction? So improper fraction, it's a fraction where the numerator is greater than the denominator. That's what we're going to call a improper fraction. All right, so let's recap quick. A proper fraction, it's a fraction where the numerator is less than a denominator. That's what we call proper fraction or simple fraction. All right. Now, an improper fraction is when the numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay? All right. So that's so sweet. Now, the third type of fraction, this is what we call a mixed number. a mixed number. All right. So what is a mixed number? So a mixed number is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. Did you hear that? A mixed number, it's a combination of a proper, a whole number and a proper fraction. It means what? We can convert improper fraction to a mixed number. So a mixed number has this form right here. We got A, where A is a quotient, which is the answer of the division. B stand for a remainder, and C is a divisor or its denominator. So let's look at this right here, 4/3. This right here, it's a improper fraction. How do you know? Because 4, which is a numerator, is greater than the denominator. So how do we do that? So you're gonna do your simple division. So you got 4 over there, you got 3. The question is, how many times 3 is gonna go into 4? It's 1. 1 times 3, it gives you 3. So from there, there is a subtraction going on. 4 minus 3, it's 1. All right? So 1 on the top, that is your quotient. This 3 is the same thing as the denominator. And 1 here on the bottom, that's a remainder. So my mixed number going to be written as A, which is your quotient. I got 1. And then I got C, that's the same thing, that's the denominator. And then B, that's your remainder. So 1/3, that is a mixed number. Okay? So this is how different type of the fraction you supposed to know. Let's do, we're gonna convert 11. Let's convert 11, we're gonna do, okay, let's call it 11/2. That is a improper fraction. So the thing here is, how many times 2 is gonna go to 11? We're gonna keep the same denominator right there, 2. How many times 2 gonna go 11? Is a 5 times. So when I do 5 times 2 is 10. What is the remainder between 11 and 10? It's 1. All right. So 11/2 convert to mixed number, it's 5/1/2. So let's do the second one, which is 15/11. The question is, how many times 11 gonna go into 15? Is only 1 time. 1 times 11, it's 11. What's the difference between 11 and then 15? It's 4. All right. Let's do the other one, which is 25/18. What kind of fraction is this? This is right here. It's a improper fraction. How many times 11? Remember, the same denominator gonna go here. Pay attention here. You see that? The same denominator, it's over there. The same denominator, it's over there. So you draw your line, put the denominator on the bottom. Ask yourself, how many times 11 gonna go to 25? Is only 1 time. Now, what is the difference between 25 and then 11? So what is the difference? The difference is what? It's 7. So I hope you have noticed, as I said earlier, a mixed number, it's what? Let's get this right here. It's a combination of a whole number and one kind of fraction. It's a proper fraction. All right. So this is what we call a mixed number. A mixed number can be converted back to what kind of fraction? A improper fraction. So remember this. when you have a proper fraction, when you divide a proper fraction, the answer of your division, if you convert that, your answer of the division is gonna be less than 1. Example, this one here, 5 over 6. That right there, dear friend, it's what kind of fraction? It's a proper fraction. If you get your calculator, you have to divide this as a decimal. So once you do 5 divided by 6, 5 divided by 6, you're going to have a 0.83. So that 3 is continuous. All right. That's what I told you earlier. A proper fraction, when you divide that, you're going to have a decimal number that is less than 1. But when you have improper fraction, let's talk about 25 over 18, when you divide it up, you will get a number that is greater than 1. 38. You get it? So a proper fraction, when you divide it up, you're going to get a number that is less than 1. A improper fraction, you get a number then it's greater than 1. All right, so this is how to know the difference of different fraction that you're supposed to know. Okay, those are different type of fraction. We talk about with our proper fraction is when you have the top number, it's less than the bottom number. The second one we talk about, it's improper fraction, is when the top number is bigger, is greater than the bottom number, which is improper fraction. And then a mixed number is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. A mixed number comes from improper fraction and does not come from proper fraction. All right. So if you have any question, feel free, put question in the comment section and we will be able to help you. Once again, please share, subscribe, and share to your friends. This is how we're going to build a community of people that are helping each other. All right. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.